Hello, my name is Justin Lee, and this is my future project for Global Hotspot to Pakistan. In this project, we were to pick some future thing that we want to talk about, so I chose to do Transportation Pakistan. So first off, how do people get around Pakistan? There are a couple of major modes of transportation. There are taxis, cars, trains, buses, and planes. So these are the common modes of transportation that they use in Pakistan. So first off, let's talk about the roads and kind of some of their conditions. So the roads in Pakistan can be chaotic and dangerous. Outside major cities, drivers face hazards such as animals, mountain passes, and extreme weather. So this is not much different than what the US could see in their driving conditions on the road either. It is not advised for travelers to rent a car in Pakistan. Hiring a car with the driver is the safest way to travel. They do drive on the left side of the road. So taxis and cars. There are few taxis in the large cities of Pakistan, especially traveling to and from airports. The taxis run 24 hours and they're very reasonable price. The only time they do not operate is during the month of Ramadan. They also have rickshaws which are cheaper and you can negotiate the price before you start. Cars are used to get around, but most people don't use the cars because it's so dangerous and people don't really like to drive there. Trains allow people to travel around the country and are a great way for long distance. Some of them have accommodations for sleeping needs and other things if they want to travel from one end of the country. Children under the age of 3 travel for free. Children ages 12 to 11 pay half the fare, and they are important for people to get around too. Buses. They have different size buses. As you can see in the picture to the left, you can see that there's small buses in the back and the bus in the front. The men and women are separated if they're not traveling with a male companion. Buses are mostly used in urban areas. Over 226,000 buses are registered. So as you can see here in the picture again, they really cram the people on these buses, especially that one. They have the small ones in the back, but the big ones, they hold a lot of people, and this is probably the most common way for traveling around. Airplanes. Flying by air is the fastest way to cut off. It cuts off 24 hours on a bus. It's also the safest way of getting around Pakistan. The airline in Pakistan is Pakistan Air International. They do have 91 airports with paved runways. There are also a lot of small airports that have not paved runways. It is a good way for people to get around. To wrap this all up, let's go with the future of transportation. So with more people in the country, transportation will get busier. They have a lot of people there, so of course people will need to get around more transportation. And with all the vehicles traveling the country, certain areas will need to be improved, the roads, because they are getting deteriorated over time. And when they get more economic cars and battery-operated cars and rickshaws, it will help combat the emissions in the environment. This is important to be able to eliminate that, especially with it being environmental topic. This is the future. This is my works cited page, and this is the future topic I have chosen. Thank you very much.